Good morning, good morning. I'm super excited today because I'm in River Forest, to be exact 922 Jackson Avenue in River Forest. And what I would like to show you is this gorgeous property that my client just completed, and it's gonna hit the market this week, so actually tomorrow. So come with me and see this beauty. It's totally updated, everything brand new inside. Come with me, please have a look at this beauty. My client did a couple of projects like that. This is gorgeous. Look at this. The focal point is the kitchen. Beautiful cabinets. I love it. Oh, nice combination, black and wood color. You have a quartz countertop. Wow, nice. I love the combination black and wood. This is something new. And here you have Thermador refrigerator. I like it. I love it actually. Wow. So what do we have? Oh my God, look at this Thermador. Beautiful. I want to just put this phone away and show you the rest. Come with me. Here's the powder. Oh, I love the accent. Look at that. Wow. Then we have one bedroom, Jack and Jill. Nice shower. And come with me to the second floor that offers 3 additional bedrooms. There's the master with nice walk-in closet, and then master bath. Look at this, how gorgeous is that? All the finishes. Ooh. Sweet. Nice. Another closet, walk-in. So now we are coming to, so you have a second floor washer and dryer. This opens like this. Brand new LG washer and dryer, the second floor for your convenience. Then we're gonna close this. Okay, then another full bath on the second floor. Okay, nice sized with walk-in closet bedroom. Easily you can fit a queen or king. I would say here you can easily fit a, oh, look at this. Kids will love the things like that. Uh-oh, it's a nice hideout for a kid. So probably it's gonna be a kid bedroom. Another one. Let's see what is the surprise in here. The same closet space, little toys. Let's check it out. This one here. Another closet space. Gorgeous. So you can easily stand here. Good size. You can fit a bedroom, whatever you like. Playroom. Then from the second floor. Oh, look at this. More closet space. Look at that. Beautiful paintwork. I love it. And here is the furnace on the second floor. So the second floor operates from here. Nice thermostat. Come with me. Now convenient. So then we're gonna go to the basement, and you will see how large the basement is. Another full bath. Look at this. And then what the seller did, he just made this room for a sauna, so someone pull off doing the sauna can dedicate it for a sauna. Okay, let's see what this full finished basement has to offer, and it offers a lot. There's the summer kitchen for you, even the dishwasher is here. Look at this dishwasher. Then we have wet water closet. See, look at this, gorgeous. It's like this. Cabinets, and then you can put your entertainment center just right here. We have a fireplace with a heater for the winter time. Sweet. And then look at this. You can see everything from the lower level basement, which I like that too. And then we have, what do we have here? Another bedroom. Oh my, look at this. I love the color combination, matches with the floor. Okay, that's a kind of utility room where, let me see what's in there. Okay, yeah, the water meter is right here. That's the main cabin. Everything brand new. Then, so one bedroom there, a lot of space. Look at this. And then let's see what's behind that. This door. So you can put a washer and dryer in the basement, but we have on the second floor, there is a sump pump, injection, and there is the furnace there. Tankless water heater, I like that. Okay, so that's the utility room where you can put all the electronics, additional washer and dryer, and that's the whole house. We'll come back to the main floor, and okay, let's see the panel. 200 amp, beautiful, everything brand new. Gorgeous yard with 2-car garage. Of course, the seating it's going to be put up anytime soon. I see they started. Then we have a hardy, beautiful color combination, white hardy board. 2-car garage, brand new windows. I love it. I love this house. Can't wait to put that house on the market. Again, 24 to 48 hours. An open house coming soon, most likely on Sunday, unless it's gonna get sold. But who knows? Look at the house. I wanna show you the front of the house. Street. Look at the houses all around. I mean, what else to say? What else to say? I love this listing. 922 Jackson. And this house can be yours for the price I will disclose later. Thank you so much for today showing with me. Take care, guys. Bye.